EKS is a company that I've come to know and to appreciate. We absolutely looked all over China for a good manufacturer of a laser. Our demand on the sheet metal fabrication side was very much growing and expanding, and we needed something to keep up with all of the cutting work. We originally had looked at 3 or different models, but EKS was just heads and shoulders above the rest of the competition. First of all, what I appreciated was the helpfulness from Max, the owner of the company. They were very, very, very cordial. They responded very quickly, and that made the negotiations go very, very well. We've actually purchased 2 machines. One is going to be going to the US, and the other one's going to go to our operations in Wuhan, China. A few things that I've got to say about the laser cutting table. Number one, the structure is very, very heavy. We didn't see that in a lot of the lasers we looked at. The frame would be considerably flimsy as opposed to the one that we're buying from EKS. It's a well-built, strong, heavy welded piece of equipment. Also, the other thing that came across to us was the details. A lot of attention was paid to the details of the cutting machine. The machine is also faster. It's a 1.6 G, whereas most of the lasers in China are 1. And that little bit of extra speed will help us on the productivity side. So I would highly recommend anybody that's looking at a laser, whether it be in China, the US, deal with these guys. They do a good job, and they will support you through anything that you need. One other thing too is the consumables are very, very inexpensive. And from a manufacturer point of view, that's something you always want to have, is something where the costs are reasonable and operation costs are much better. I appreciate that.